Hi guys, Chet here. Today we're diving into a side-by-side comparison of Smartsheet and Notion, two very popular platforms for organizing work, managing projects, and collaborating with teams. I'll break down their features, their ease of use, pricing, and what kind of teams each one is best for. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits your workflow better. Let's take a quick look at both platforms. Smartsheet is built for teams that need powerful project tracking with spreadsheet-like functionality. It blends the familiarity of rows and columns with automation, dashboards, and resource management tools. It is widely used in industries like IT, construction operations, and finance, where structured data and reporting matter a lot. Now, on the other hand, Notion is more of a flexible all-in-one workspace that combines notes, databases, wikis, and task management. It's ideal for teams that want to build custom workspaces without needing to code. Whether you're organizing a content calendar, tracking goals, or building a knowledge base, Notion will give you the freedom to structure your workspace however you like it. Now, let's talk about some features. Smartsheet offers a mix of views like grid, Gantt, card, and calendar, and it lets you assign tasks, automate actions, and build dashboards for real-time visibility. It also supports forms, dependencies, and critical path analysis for more advanced project planning. You can build complex workflows, and you can even handle budget tracking and resource allocation all within one platform. Now, Notion, on the other hand, is known for its clean interface and modular building blocks. You can create pages and embed databases, Kanban boards, calendars, or tables. Collaboration is smooth thanks to real-time editing and comments. Now, while it's not as advanced as Smartsheet when it comes to task dependencies or resource management, it excels in flexibility and content organization. For remote teams, creators, and startups, Notion becomes more of a knowledgeable and productivity hub than a traditional project tracker. Next up, let's talk about user experience. Smartsheet leans toward users who are familiar with spreadsheets and want structure, templates, and automation baked into their workflows. It has a bit of learning curve, though, if you're not used to spreadsheet logic, but once you're in, it's very powerful. Notion is much easier to jump right into its drag and drop simplicity and its clean workspace. It's highly visual and it feels more like a modern note-taking app merged with light product management. Now, when it comes to integrations, both tools support plenty. Smartsheet connects with Microsoft Teams, Google Workspace, Salesforce, DocuSign, and more. Notion also supports popular apps like Slack, GitHub, Google Drive, and offers API access for a little deeper integration. Now, let's talk about pricing. Smartsheet has 4 plans. Pro at $12 per member per month, Business at $25 per member per month, and both Enterprise and Advanced Work Management available at custom pricing. Notion also has 4 plans. Free. And then there's Plus at $12 per seat per month, Business at $18 per seat per month, and Enterprise with custom pricing depending on features and scale. So which one should you go for? Well, if your team needs robust project tracking, automation, and reporting, Smartsheet is definitely the better pick. But if you're after a flexible workspace for notes, databases, and collaboration that you can mold however you want, Notion really is the way to go. All right, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.